In this episode of Dynamic Tech Tips, I'm going to show you how to properly install a polyurethane belt onto a DynaClean conveyor. Hi, my name is Paul Harvitz, and today I'm going to show you how to properly install a polyurethane belt, a ThermoDrive 8050, onto a DynaClean conveyor. The two steps I'm going to show you is how to properly lace the belt and how to engage the belt into the sprockets or drum motor. First of all, to lace the belt, you take the two ends of the belt in this imaginary belt, you point the fingers slightly down, and then take the lacing rod and engage it. You will see that you have a nice, flat, smooth surface. Occasionally, we'll have an end user that'll take the belt and for whatever reason put the fingers pointed slightly up. They take the lacing rod, they put it in, and then you'll notice that these fingers are pointing up, rough, and not only that, but it does not allow the belt to sit flat. If you were to run this conveyor in this belt in this condition, there's a high probability you'll damage the belt very, very quickly. So again, to do it correctly, you bring the two ends of the belt together, you point the finger slightly down, put the lacing rod through, feel the top to make sure it's smooth and flat, and then you've properly installed the lacing rod and joined the belt. On the bottom of the belt, there are two different things going on here. One is the drive bars. Those actually engage in the sprockets. There also has to be a provision, a clearance, for the lacing rod itself. So let's take a look at how this interfaces with a sprocket, drum motor, or a series of sprockets. First of all, you have to identify where does the drive bar go and where does the lacing rod go. The small grooves that my finger can't fit into are where the drive bars go. This big, large arc that my finger very comfortably fits in is clearance for the lacing rod when it comes down once every revolution. Let me try to illustrate that. I'm going to take the drive bars on the bottom and I'm going to find the narrow slot and I'm going to engage it. The next one will engage, and here comes the lacing rod, and it's going to go in the large arc. I'll get a close-up of that for you too. So that is properly engaged belt to the sprocket. Occasionally, an end user will take and put the drive bar in the large arc area. The belt can function like that, but what happens is when the lacing rod comes around, it really has nowhere to go. It's going to put excessive force on that lacing rod and cause belt damage one more time. So again, to correctly do it, you take the drive bar, put it into the small slot. When it rolls around, drive bar, drive bar, drive bar, and then right here, lacing rod goes into the large arc, and then your belt will run correctly. These are two very simple tips, but they have to be done for the belt to run correctly. I hope this video helps someone. If you have any questions, you can call us here at Dynamic Conveyor directly. And if you like it, you can share this video and or like it. Thank you.